Ladies and gentlemen, we are on the board. We have made our first sale on the new brand. I have been waiting a year for this moment. It has finally arrived, and I could not be more excited. Had to make a video today. Literally just went live. Let's see, it's 4 o'clock. Went live at 2 hours ago on the dot. Got our first sale. Ads are on. So let me take you through everything that I did, because this has been in the works for a long time. So the first thing that I did was, well, it actually started before the launch, is I set the launch date of the listing to the future, or the start date, offer start date. Different categories will have a different name for that. So what that allowed me to do was receive inventory and get available inventory before the listing goes active. So it puts you in control of your launch. Also puts you in control of your sales rank start date. So you don't have fulfillment transfers and 20-day shipping times happening all while the listing is getting ranked, so to say. So we set the listing to go active today by changing the launch date to be yesterday. So that took about 15 minutes. Once that processed, boom, listing's active. We started receiving inventory Thursday of last week. So it's Monday today, 4 days ago. We started receiving inventory, and we received the whole shipment, but 200 units became available. And that was the point we waited to until we made the listing active, so that those first people that are seeing the ads, seeing the listing right away, are getting prime 2-day shipping. And we've confirmed that now by seeing the active listing, even though both myself and my business partner on West and East Coast, we both already have prime shipping. So that's a key factor. Now, once we made the listing active, we immediately switched over to Amazon ads and turned on all of our campaigns. We're running 7 or 8 PPC campaigns. They're all one word per campaign, or one word per campaign campaigns. Sounds a little redundant, but that's what we're doing. We don't have a bunch of keywords grouped in. We have very specific targets we're going for, just right in the middle of the search volume. We want to make sure that we're ranking number 1 or through number 3 organically for that position before we go on and try and tackle anything higher. This week, what am I doing? Well, I'm making my Amazon attribution link for this product so that I can give that link to the influencers that are waiting, that already have the samples we sent them and ready to post about it this week. So we're just making sure everything's running smoothly with shipping time and everything. We don't want to have influencers with 50,000 followers send out a link to people and realize, hey, it's 10-day shipping most places, or hey, something went wrong, it's not working, the listing got suppressed. So we're doing this approach where we have first 48 hours, we're just running PPC, and that's where we're going to be getting our sales from. And then we're sending out that attribution link to our influencers to post over the course of this coming week, hopefully bring in even more external sales. Speaking of external sales, we're going to be signing up for Amazon's brand referral bonus program, so we get a 10% back literally on every sale we drive from, say, Instagram influencers. So that'll be cool. That'll help us do things like start ambassador programs for them and offer things like 20-30% affiliate commission, although actually we're getting 10% still more of that from Amazon. So it helps with that. During the call with my business partner today, we just made the listing active. The next thing I did, final thing we'll be covering, is I made a seller board account for this business specifically. So we run this business, it's got its own LLC, its own website, its own brand, etc., its own Seller Central account. We went in and we said, okay, now that we have everything up and running, the listing's live, let's link up with Seller Board. And I went through and input all of our expenses, our one-time expenses, everything, so that from day one, we're getting accurate profit tracking. And not just profit tracking for that product in Amazon fees and the cost of goods sold, but everything from our website fee, our photography, one-time costs, packaging, shipping fees, etc. That's all bundled in there. So we'll be able to see with extreme clarity from a holistic level, how is the business operating? What does the cash flow look like, etc. There is a link in the description if you want to create a seller board account. There's 2 months free. Just did a recent promotion with them, and I liked it so much that I was like, hey, I got to go sign up. I'm paying for my own account. They're not giving me an account or anything. I just thought it was really cool software. So signed up for that. Really like what those guys are doing, and it's very inexpensive. So over the course of this week, I'm sure I'll be making many more videos. I'll be keeping you up to date with how the launch is going. Let you know, this is one of the first times I'm working with influencers. So we'll see how those are doing, be doing screen shares, hopefully sharing some PPC stuff. Let me know down in the comments what you would like to see. Really quick before anyone asks, no, I'm not revealing the product, but I will nonetheless be keeping you posted with the journey with things like sales and what I'm doing to get the product ranked. So hopefully you're half as excited as I am to follow along with this. If you are, be sure to subscribe down below if you haven't already. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Later.